Guys, naghahanap ba kayo ng mini SUV or crossover? Check nyo tong selection natin ng mga crossover. Baka ito na yung para sa inyo. 2014 na Subaru Forester 2.0 IP. Engine nito is 2.0 liter gas engine, boxer engine. Premium variant to. Mileage is only 35,000. Original mileage. Ito yung kanyang loob. Ayan. All leather seats. Panoramic roof. Push start na rin to. Push start, automatic transmission. Leather yung steering wheel. 5-seater crossover. And ito naman yung kanyang second row. Ayan. Leather din, mga upuan. And meron siyang 6 airbags. All-wheel drive to. Ang asking price natin para dito sa ating 2014 na Subaru Forester is 498,000. Ito naman yung ating 2019 na Toyota RAV4 LE 4x2. Mileage is 36,000. Engine niya is 2.5 liter dual VVTi gas engine. Ito yung kanyang loob. Fabric seats, automatic transmission, auto climate control yung aircon, naka touchscreen monitor din, and meron din siyang 6 airbags. Ito naman yung second row, malinis din, buo din ang mga upuan, tapos meron siyang aircon vent doon. Ang asking price naman natin para dito sa ating 2019 na RAV4 is 998,000. Meron din tayong 2019 na Hyundai Santa Fe 4x2 high variant GLS. Engine nito is 2.2 liter CRDI or turbo diesel engine. Mileage is 36,000 kilometers. Ito ko sa inyo yung loob. Yan, all leather to. Power seats. Yan, automatic transmission, auto climate control aircon. Meron ding wireless charging dock doon. Tapos touchscreen monitor with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Meron din siyang 6 airbags. Leather din yung steering wheel. 360 degrees camera. Ito naman ay 7-seater. Ito yung kanyang second row. Yan. May aircon vent din doon. 7-seater SUV to. Nakatupi lang ngayon yung kanyang third row. Ang asking price naman natin dito sa ating 2019 na Santa Fe is 1,150,000. Ito naman ay 2020 na Hyundai Kona GLS 2.0 liter engine, gas engine. Mileage is 42,000. Ito naman yung kanyang loob. Yan, fabric seats din. Meron siyang 4 airbags. Bluetooth equipped na rin yung stereo niya. Tapos meron ding control sa steering wheel. Ito yung kanyang second row. 5-seater din to. Compact SUV or mini SUV. Ang ating asking price naman dito sa ating Hyundai Kona is only 588,000. Meron din tayong 2022 na MG or Morris Garages HS Alpha 1.5 liter engine, turbocharged gasoline engine to. Mileage niya is 24,000 kilometers. Ito yung kanyang loob, all leather, tapos naka power seats. Tapos naka panoramic roof do. Panoramic roof. Tapos naka touchscreen monitor with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Automatic transmission. Leather yung steering wheel. Naka push start na rin. Tapos meron siyang 4 na airbags. Ito yung kanyang second row. Maganda maganda pa. May aircon na vent din. Ang asking price natin dito sa ating MG HS is only 688,000. So nakita nyo dito yung mini SUV or crossover na hinahanap nyo, tawagan nyo na kami or message nyo kami sa aming Facebook page. So lahat yung presyo natin very negotiable pa yon. So puntahan nyo na yung unit dito. Pwede tayo ng cash, bank financing, company loan or trade-in. And syempre yung mga mileage natin guaranteed original. So double your money back tayo kung tampered yung mileage natin. Right? This is Carboy out.